Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka number 28. But those men of virtuous deeds whose sins have come to an end, who are freed from the delusion of the pairs of opposites and steadfast in vows, worship me.
Chapter 7, Shloka 28. Yeshanttvantagatam papam jananam punyakarmanam te tvantamoha nirmukta bhajante mam dridhavrataha.
Chapter 7, Shloka 28. Who are qualified to seek the truth is explained. It should be carefully understood that men of virtuous deeds, as a result of their actions, come to cleanse their sinful nature. Sins are the root cause of the negative values in the subtle body, the cravings to live as slaves to the calls and appetites of the grosser outer world. He is called a sinful person whose body makes the highest calls on his time and attention. An extrovert life, a life spent in the satisfaction of his sensuous desires and petty emotions, is the way of the sinful. These animal-like vasanas leave gross impressions on the mind and intellect, which decide the future flow of thoughts. As the thoughts, so the actions, and the actions deepen the impressions. This chain of vasana, thought, action can be cut by performing meritorious actions which are the opposite of the sinful actions and are therefore actions, feelings and thoughts dedicated to the godly and the divine. These meritorious introvert actions create new divine impressions, wiping clean the old sinful impressions. Such a prepared mind, a mind with single-pointed steadiness and firm resolve, free from almost all the negative impressions and the pair of opposites, becomes a fit instrument to meditate and discover the self. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.